The indigenous people belonging to the Khasi and Jaintia communities residing in the Barak Valley of Assam today urged the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to take up with his Assam counterpart for the creation of Khasi Jaintia Development Council in the state of Assam. In a memorandum submitted to the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma at the main secretariat in Shillong, the President of Khasi Jaintia Development Council Demand Committee, S. Pakantian, made this request to the Chief Minister on the ground that National People's Party being part of the Northeast Democratic Alliance. Speaking to the media, Donald Thaba, the Secretary of Central Body of the Khasi Students' Union, who spoke on behalf of the organization, said that the creation of the council will immensely help for the development of the indigenous people living in the Barak Valley of Assam.
So he will try to set up a meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam, Sarvananda Sonowal, and the Himanta Biswa Sarma, so as they can air their grievances towards those people concerned in Assam. So they will discuss with the state government of Assam, but they will facilitate a meeting between the Barak Valley Development Council Demand Committee and the government of Assam, that is with the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. They are going to do it tonight only, but that depends on the government of Assam whether it will be free or no, owing to the upcoming elections in Assam also. So they'll be very busy.